I'm a high school Korean language teacher. I've been doing it for 10 years. And in class today, we had a rambling conversation that went from cafe to gangster in Korean. And let me show you what I mean. So we have cafe in Korean, that would be kape. There is no F sound in Korean, so we replace it with the P as in pineapple, as you can see right here. And then sometimes people mispronounce it. They say it a little bit stronger. So the kape is sometimes often said as kape, the double G sound. So good sound, kape, like that. And today's problem arises because I heard gangpe instead of kape. You see how this can sound similar as well? So we have the circle sound. This is initially not sounding silent, but at the bottom position it has the sound, and then the confusion arises because these two they sound the same to most of the Koreans nowadays. If you want to know the difference in subtleties in these type of pronunciation for each vowel and consonant, check out my Korean alphabet flashcards. If you want something really practical with the Hangul summary chart and each one that comes with the QR code based pronunciation lesson for all practical expressions, check out my Self-Help Korean.